Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a fourth year student at National Law University, Delhi. I gave my CLAT in 2021 and I was in a similar situation जिसमें many of you might be at this point of time. And therefore, I am here to help you in terms of what can be your strategy right now. What can you do to not repeat the mistakes that you made in CLAT 2025 and ace your ALET exam. I clearly remember on 28th of July, consortium ने कहा था that they'll be releasing the results and all of us were eagerly waiting कि maybe 12 noon के आसपास आ जाएगा, maybe in the afternoon or at best evening में तो results आ ही जाएंगे. But my results came out around 11:50 p.m. in the night on 28th of July. And to my utter disappointment and shock, my rank was nowhere close to what I had expected. मैंने सोचा था यार कि टॉप 50 में या एट बेस्ट टॉप 100 में तो आ ही जाएगी, बट माई रैंक वॉज 524. नाउ ये रैंक वाली चीज़ एक जगह, बट इवन मोर प्रेसिंग नीड बैक देन वॉज कि मेरा एलेट का एग्जाम वॉज ऑन 30th of July 2021, which means I had somewhere around 36 hours before I write my ALET exam, and my state of mind, my hopes, my expectations were all down in the water. And from that moment, I had to gather myself up. And many of you might be in such a situation जहाँ पे आपका CLAT थोड़ा mess up हो गया हो, and that is natural. CLAT has a tendency of being unpredictable, making paper either super easy, making some weird questions, or making it an extremely difficult paper. But इस point of time में you have to ensure that your focus, your concentration, your state of mind is not juggling. And what I did back then was I spoke to my mentor Mudit sir, because he himself had gone through the entire journey and had joined the NUJS Kolkata for his Bachelor's of Law. अब इस situation में I remember कि यार रात को 3-4 बजे I spoke to him. I told him that this is unfair and I gave my 100%. I was disheartened, but that is when he gave me the ray of hope कि यार ये चीज़ होना is not abnormal. बहुत सारे लोग either because of minor mistakes or because of the weird nature of the exam or because of their state of mind do mess up their CLAT exam. But that is where ALET gives you an opportunity. So the first step that you have to ensure is that you let your feelings out. You speak to someone who either is your mentor or someone who has gone through the same journey. I know that sometimes it is difficult. I myself was unable to let my feelings out. I had my support system, but in the event you do not, feel free to vent out in the comment section below and we'll try to reach out to you, to speak to you, to engage with you and help you in the best possible manner. Because once your feelings are out, that is when you can start preparing for the next leg, which is your ALET exam. And इस चीज के लिए what you need to do is you have to ensure that you have a good strategy in place. Your strategy should be कि on the day of the ALET exam आप क्या क्या चीज़ें करोगे and उसके लिए आपको address करनी है आपकी weaknesses क्या थी. The best thing that you can then do is ensure that you understand what went wrong in CLAT. For me, it was lack of concentration, spending a lot of unnecessary time in doing questions which I should have skipped, and spending unnecessary time, perhaps 30 seconds, 40 seconds extra in every question that I was attempting. And these were my set of mistakes. The set of mistakes for you might be slightly different. Now, as I mentioned कि मेरे पास यार सिर्फ एक दिन था. अब इस टाइम फ्रेम में I had to ensure कि मैं अपनी CLAT की mistakes को acknowledge करूँ, because having had given so many mocks in the past, I knew what is my potential. I had worked on my potential. So once I acknowledged that this is the problem, addressing of the problems becomes easier. Then I realized that ALET has a tendency to work on a similar pattern, and therefore solving the past year papers for ALET becomes extremely crucial. And therefore I realized that I do not have a lot of confidence in GK. So what I did was I spent 80% of my time revising GK, going through GK, not just to ensure कि वो मेरा पूरा part revise हो जाए, but also to ensure that I am more confident now. Now, as I mentioned, these set of mistakes were slightly different for me. A similar situation happened with Kanav last year, who scored a rank of 2 in A-Late 2024, but उसके CLAT में रैंक आई थी 1032, which is astonishingly different. And that is when you realize कि अगर वो मेरे साथ हो सकता है, कनव के साथ हो सकता है, so even you can do that. But as I said, step 1, speak to your mentor. Step 2, acknowledge your mistake. And step 3 is that you have a good state of mind during the exam. By which I mean, you have to ensure that on the day of the exam, you are at your peak performance. And that is when you have to understand कि exam time पे you do not have to unnecessarily focus on कि यार मेरा NLU दिल्ली में हो जाएगा या नहीं होएगा, अगर नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा, अगर हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा. That is something that is not your concern during the exam. During the exam, your focus should be that you have a question in front of you. You have 4 options. You have to mark the correct option and then move to the next question. In the event question is difficult or is not from your strong arena, what you do is you skip that question and come to that question eventually. In essence, you have to be a well-oiled machine. Your task for the day of the exam is to enter the exam hall with a smiling face, with a warm heart and a strategy. And once you start writing the exam, your task is to apply that strategy to the very core and not think about if, buts, what will happen, what will not happen. And now, in this position, it is the perspective which matters a lot. जब हम एग्ज़ाम हॉल में गए थे, जब मेरा क्लैट का रिजल्ट आया, आई वॉज टेकन अबैक. एंड मुदत सर ने उस टाइम पे मेरे को बोला कि एग्ज़ाम हॉल में इस माइंडसेट से नहीं जाना कि क्या पता ये एग्ज़ाम भी ख़राब हो जाए. Rather, you have to enter the exam hall with the positivity that you have a chance. Life is giving you an opportunity just a couple of days after something unfortunate has happened with you. And you have to make the best use of that chance. And once you have that faith, converting that will not be an issue. And similarly, जब कनव के साथ ये चीज़ हुई, we told him, Mudit sir and I together told him this entire situation a couple of times. We imbibed that confidence in him and we imbibed that faith in him कि you can perform to the best of your capability. And just because एक incident थोड़ा सा unfortunate हो गया does not mean that it will happen again. Rather, now it is an opportunity for you to turn the tables. Go with that positivity, go with that optimism and go with that faith, and I'm sure that you will do well. All the best, and I will see you at NLU Delhi.